Sadism sensing could make the next episode primarily about Nullifier and Sivan giving their broken agreement a completely different kind of test. After telling Sivan that she cannot stand against her family, Nullifier tries to convince herself that ending the relationship was the responsible choice. She returned to her old routine, dress carefully, speak calmly, and pretend everything is normal. But every room in the mansion reminds her of the future she almost chose. Sivan reacted in the opposite way. Instead of being her to return, he withdraw completely. He decides he will no longer fight for a woman who refuses to fight beside him. The silence hurt Nullifier more than an argument would have their path cross again. Because of Irkan's case, Sivan possesses information about Firman's past that could prove the danger Dikal and Faraday face, so Dikal asks him to testify. Sivan agrees, but doing so put him directly in Firman's sight once more. When Nullifier learns that Sivan has been followed after leaving the courthouse, she forgets every promise she made to stay away and rushes to warn him. Sivan refuses to treat her fear as proof that they should reunite. He tells her that love during a crisis is easy, but what matters is whether she will still choose him when the danger passes. Nullifier has no answer. Meanwhile, Dikal visits Irkan and tells him she has found a way to challenge his confession without immediately exposing herself. She wants to prove that Firman arrived armed and intending to harm Faraday. Establish the circumstances before revealing who fired. Irkan admires her courage but worries she is getting too close to danger. Dikal responds that he cannot keep loving her as though she is someone fragile. Their argument turns into a deeply emotional moment because both are fighting for the same future in completely different way. Elsewhere, Faraday memories continue returning, including one detail that suggests Firman once spoke about Sivan as though he knew a secret capable of destroying him. Faraday wants Sivan, but he dismisses it until an envelope arrives containing documents. Nullifier immediately calls Dikal, terrified the final scene could reveal Sivan waking in an unfamiliar place while Firman's associates sit across from him and says that this time Nullifier will have to decide exactly how much Sivan